Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create joint accounts on Monzo. So the first thing I'd like you to do is, of course, to launch your Monzo accounts. Pretty much easier to work with your mobile phone. So ensure that your Monzo account has already been set up on your mobile phone and it's set up here. So I'm going to show you how to create an account right here on mobile, on the what's called the online banking application, which of course it's here. All right, so this is the website app of Monzo. Here's how you can create your account. Launch in the browser of your choice. Once you do that, locate the search bar, which is usually at the top corner. In the search bar, type monzo.com, and it's going to take you to their official website, which of course we're looking at right here. Top right corner, you're going to find the sign up button. Click on that and follow through with the processes to create your account on Monzo. I'd like you to know that Monzo is restricted to UK residents only. Terms and conditions apply, as you can see. So this means if you're not residing in the UK, you're going to have an issue with creating this Monzo, or you'll not be able to create an account at all. So not all of us have the luxury of creating this account, but we have the knowledge needed to help you explore all the features on Monzo. That's why we have created this video to see how you can create your joint account so that you can manage your money with your partner. So this is how you can start your joint account application. So from the home screen, right, or the home page of your Monzo account, tap your profile picture, which is in the top left corner of your screen. Top left corner, you're going to find the profile picture, so click on that. And once you click on profile picture, scroll all the way down, and you're going to see a couple options like extended menu. All right, so scroll the way down, you're going to find open a joint account. So click on open a joint account, and once you do that, you're going to have to answer a few questions. All right, and then invite your account co-owner to open the account with you. The invitation process is self-explanatory, so you don't have anything to worry about. Now, if you received a joint account invite, you also need to answer a few questions to finish your part of the application. That's if you're not the one creating it. If somebody invited you to, just finish your own part. But then this is, because of this tutorial, we are actually the ones starting this joint account application. So just do that, tap open a joint account, answer your question, and invite your co-owner. And then the next step is to add your card to your digital wallet. So once your joint account is open and you're done with all the process, you don't have to wait until your physical card arrives to start using it. So all you need to do is to add your digital wallet and use your card with Apple Pay or Google Pay right away. So add it to your digital wallet and then use your card with Apple Pay or Google Pay. That means you need to download the Google Pay application and then add your Monzo card to Google Pay so that you can now start making purchases, all right, using your Monzo card. You can also fund your joint accounts. You can instantly move your money from your personal account on Monzo into your joint account. And you can also connect an external account and transfer money to your joint Monzo account. All right, so your joint account co-owner won't see the account you've connected, but will see the money that you add. So if you want to tell the co-owner, you can. But this is just pretty much it. So fund your account and then set up shared pots to manage your budget together. So what are pots? Pots are accounts set up on Monzo that are different from your main balances. That's where you add money that you don't want to use, or that you want to use like once in a while. All right, so just like a personal account, you can set up pots in your joint account too. So pots allow you to divide up your money within the same account, making it easy to set aside enough money to pay bills and save for goals. So you can also set up that and then move bills or committed spending over to your joint account and then manage your money as a team. That's all you need to know. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.